In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Firefox extensions in incognito mode. So firstly, you need to open Firefox. Now click on these lines for options. Now click on add-ons. Here click on extensions. Now click on these three dots and click on manage. Now scroll down and here you will see option run in private windows. So click on allow. When allowed, the extension will have access to your online activities while private browsing. So if you need to allow, so check this box. That's it. So like this, you can enable extension in Firefox private mode. Thanks for watching.